Good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday, May the 5th, and another dreary day. Thanks, everybody who joined yesterday on our Facebook Live bingo. It was great to see everybody and hang out for a while, and lots of fun to give away a whole bunch of chips. So that was fun, and we'll do that again. So watch our Facebook page, and I'm also getting some other sort of activities together for you as we get through this lockdown together. I'm not sure when we're going to be able to get back outside, but for today I have another maker moment for you. It's May flowers, so I'm sort of hard pressed to get out and get things. So this is supposed to be your stem's supposed to be a pipe cleaner, but I've used a popsicle stick, a craft stick, and colored it. So in your bag you've got 2 muffin cups, 2 stars, and 2 circles. So I see a lot of room for creativity here. You can use markers to decorate this, and glitter and buttons and pom-poms and all kinds of things. There are 2 in each bag. May flowers, because April showers, May showers bring May flowers. We already have some, but that's our craft for today. And there are also lots of the colorful birds left. So call and make an appointment to pick up your craft kits for curbside pickup, and we will see everybody next week. Bye.